Okay, so we're going to see how many layers we can sew. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got 11 layers of vinyl. So this is marine vinyl, so it's not a cheap vinyl. It's quite a thick vinyl. Say about a mil. We've got 11 layers of that there. Okay, so let's try that one. I think as long as it fits under the foot, we should be able to sew it. Okay, no problems there. 11 layers. Okay, and then we have got, this is the canvas we use for boat covers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19 there. Again, nice stitch. No problems there. 19 layers of good quality canvas. Okay, so if it can go under the foot, it will sew it, and that's the beauty of a walking foot. It's gripping at the top, gripping at the bottom, and pulling it through. Okay.